Eva was so interested in coding and wanted to learn more about JavaScript, so she decided to learn about data types in JavaScript. Eva knew that data types were important for coding and wanted to learn more about them. She decided to do some research and found out that there were two types of data types, primitive and non-primitive. Primitive data types are the most basic type of data and include strings, numbers, and booleans. Primitive data types are defined by the programming language and do not have any additional properties. Non-primitive data types are more complex than primitive data types and have additional properties. Examples of non-primitive data types include objects, arrays, and functions. Eva was curious to learn more about the different data types and their uses. She learned that a string is a set of characters, such as her name, Eva. Numbers, on the other hand, are used to represent a numerical value, such as her age, 10. Boolean values can either be true or false, like whether or not she likes pizza. True. Objects are a type of non-primitive data type and are used to store multiple pieces of data. For example, Eva could create an object to store her personal information, such as her name, age, and favorite color. Arrays are also a type of non-primitive data type and are used to store multiple pieces of data in an ordered list. For example, Eva could store a list of her favorite colors, blue, green, purple, in an array. Functions are a type of non-primitive data type and are used to perform a specific task. For example, Eva could create a function to calculate her age in a few years. Eva was so excited to learn more about data types and was eager to practice. To help her get started, she decided to solve a sample exercise. She was asked to create a function that takes two strings and returns the first string if it is longer than the second string. Eva was able to solve the exercise and was very proud of herself. Now that Eva had a better understanding of data types, she wanted to challenge herself further. She decided to create an exercise for herself to practice her new knowledge. She decided to create a program that takes an array of numbers and returns the largest number in the array. Eva was so proud of her accomplishment and was excited to continue learning more about coding. Data types were just the beginning and Eva was eager to learn more. By the way, can you help Eva solve this exercise?